ignition coil. If you DIY and want to replace the ignition coil by yourself, it can cost you $1,000. One small mistake I did, I already replaced one by one, and the first cylinder, it's on the right side front on my V8 4.4 liter, and the problem was outside very hot. It's like 100 degrees, and by accident the first cylinder is most hardest to replace, and when I didn't remove the coolant reservoir, so I was afraid to break the line. That was first mistake, and I was didn't lubricate. This is plastic. I forced it down without the lubrication, and I bent this part, and it didn't lock the wiring in place. So it showed me after that, when I started the engine, it showed me that I have to look at it. So I thought, oh, I didn't change that one. This one went bad, and I get the new one from the trunk and put that one in, and then I get the bunch of errors. So the second I install, I did the same mistake. I forced to close it, and it didn't close completely. It was punching like that. See? I don't know if you can see, but see, it's not in the place. So I back home without two cylinders, and I get sick, and on the third day, thinking what I done wrong, I just check wiring, and this plastic was like this, so I just replaced plastic from the old one, and boom, it's working perfectly again. Thanks for watching, hope it helps.